Hello everyone. Let's continue the modular robot making process. So as you can see, I just upgraded this section, the head section actually. So in here you can see the several head options, just like the continuation. So I'm showing you the head part. As you can see, this one, okay, and these are the antennas, respected antennas there. So this one, so not a very complex geometry, but you can see the process. I just made a little change actually, so little bit of change in between the models actually, and just fit according to the size actually. So as you can see here, like this one is a separate part, it's a complete separate part, and everything is actually separate part because of the modular pack. And one thing I keep in mind that the connection point, actually all the things, as you can see, this is like, this is one of my favorite style. This one, it's a pretty kind of like very complex kind of simple, but I like the design, but it's all coming from my head actually. So yeah, so it's like this, but this shape, I like this shape, and this one, okay. This one, as you can guess, this is a cockpit. uh, so it's like the driver is sitting here, or the pilot is sitting here, and this one also. So yeah, you get the idea actually. And all the upper part, I mean the upper wireless part, or these things are, kind of like all these things are separated. So I just connected here to here. As you can see, let's say if I make it a closer look, then you can see that what is going on actually. This is the connector, the lower part and the upper part, and here should be the pivot point. And yeah, the things should good to go. I mean we can switch between the heads actually. So there are two kinds of robot I just created. One is like mini robots, but the same structure, and one is the gigantic robots, heavy robots actually. Something like mini. I mean the light tank, medium tank, and the heavy tank. So something like that actually. So I just concentrate on one of the part, like the head part. So as you can see, the all the things actually separated because of after modeling. It should be easier for rigging. So you have to understand that where is the joining point, like this head actually, or this head. Yeah, this head actually needs to be turned in a right way, in a left way, something like that. So you see the process, it needs to be actually very straightforward. So you have to understand that where are the movement points, you have to understand where I should put the connection to join and connection to move on. So it's like, this is the hip part, or the I mean this is lower section, the leg joint, what you can say, what you gonna say actually, and this is also the lower body part you can say, and this is directly the head part. I mean, yeah. So it's like you have to turn around the head, and obviously this is the upper leg part, the mid leg part, and the joining, and the leg part, and this is the actually the feet of the robot. So yeah. So I just followed the same principle, and just produce this one. And if you can see one of the let's say let's say 1 2 3, let's say in the back side, same principles is applied. I mean the same thing, just little bit of change, as you can see. This one is a bit plain. I keep it like plain, so very straightforward geometry. Uh, yeah, okay, okay, but clean geometry. Uh, the topology is very straightforward. Nothing very complex, but it's okay for the for the extension from this part to the head part, or you can say it completely the body part. So it's like as you can see from here, from this angle, so they are actually being ready for you know to be the complete set of the robot. Yeah. And as you can see, one important part actually, so that's what I'm talking about, that this is the joining part. As you can see, this round option, this is the joining part of the extension. I mean, if I can extend something here, like there should be hand of the robot like that, like the leg part. As you can see here, this is the joining part. So it's like here I must put the joining part for the leg also, for the hand also actually. As you can see, this is that thing, that and also every leg part, every hand joint part is same in size. Okay, same size. Why is that? Because of you can switch your hand extension and make it completely new. I mean, you have the 10 robots, but you could see here and also here. So you can switch between the robots actually. If you have the 10 robots in a collection, so you have that option to modify actually. Okay, so this is, I think you get the idea. So I'm just what I'm doing. I'm just one by one. I'm just putting extension, that what next, what next, what next. So it's like from this angle, as you can see from the wireframe view, this is what actually I'm doing. As you can see, the uh, wireframe of each robot, and very actually kind of a low poly. I mean, mid poly and low poly actually. So it's like very easy uh, for very lightweight thing. Okay, as you can see. Okay, yeah. So yeah. So I just completed this part, and just trying to thinking that what should be the hand part actually. So what will be the hand section? And as you can see, the that's what I'm talking about, the joining part is almost the same, for the reason actually, the rotation part. And the rotation is in a round shape in a disc. So like the robot can turn its body or a head or whatever. Okay, they are actually in the same principle. I just make the size adjustment, so it's not so complicated, as you can see. So this is, you can see that this is the small size robot. And this one, from this one to this one, it's the bigger size robot. And you can switch between the torso, the no the leg joint part. You can switch between the head, whatever. You can mix the components of every robots. I mean the bigger one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. The small one is 4 actually. By the 4, this four is the small one. And this two you can consider the mid one, or the big one. This actually the big one. So it's like up to your choice or up to your decision, that the 10 robots is actually being completed. So yeah. So I think, guys, this is the end of this video, and you get the idea that how I'm producing this one. And I will come again with the extension part, that what components I can put here. I think straight putting the hand from here will not be a good idea. So it's there should be some extra parts, like kind of like a chest part or anything, like extension of the body, and then there should be the hand part. Okay, so I think this is the all of this video, and you are enjoying the making process of this. So I'm just describing everything, that what I did in this project. So I think I will come back again in the new video, or a continuation video, to cover up the next process. So thank you very much. Till then, you please keep sharing my project or my videos, and if you like them, share with your friends, and very close one. And please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment me or to contact with me. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.